Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
I cut this much amount of hair. Like, this is a lot of length, you guys, literally. But this is the final look. If you guys want to see how you can achieve the same look in less than 15 minutes, so keep on watching. Let's go. So it's been 11 months since I started my transition, and I should be going for a haircut right now because I got my haircut in May, but it's not in me to get a haircut at this moment. I'm not quite well, so my throat is not cooperating, and sinuses and flu is also not cooperating. So I was like, let's just try the butterfly cut at home. So this is how they look, and they are, I think so, they're medium long right now, but the growth is still here, and नीचे की जो growth है, it's still here, so I can literally get a cut till here, but I'm not just well, so we're going to do it at home. Hope for the best, you guys. So I have a scissor over here, comb, and then I have a spray bottle over here, and this leave-in conditioner. I actually saw a girl and she was using this in her hair, and I think so it's quite a genius idea. This is the top of my head. When you divide your hair in half, I feel it's much more easier to do. And let me just see if this is all right. I think it's quite decent. I think I will go with this. Yeah, I'll go with this. But I think so this is good enough. So I will be adding this because my hair are getting dry. Can you see how this is so like done? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's do this. Oh no. This could be a pony. You know what? I was thinking of buying thinning shears, but then I did not do that. I think it's good enough.
2 fingers is on average about an inch, so I'm going to try and cut off about 4 inches off of this top while directing it forward like this. It is that easy, all right? And then we're gonna let this down and we're gonna see what's going on. If I don't...
Okay, so as per the video, I have to bring this forward, which is actually a good thing. So I'll do that. But the whole thing is, okay, I want to cut more from the back because this needs to go away. Let's do this. It just feels so wrong to cut like this. I don't cut my hair like this. It feels wrong. But I did a good job. I mean, you can see over here. Yeah, it's quite straight. Okay. So this was the amount of hair that I cut, which is quite a lot if you ask. And I cannot level this, I just realized. So yeah, let's just do this. And now we're going to open the hair and see where we are at. So yeah. This is quite short, but I mean, I like it. I think it's nice. I think I can stop here because yeah, I like the length as well. So this is the length right now. Okay, so this is how my hair look from the front, and yeah, it's just like a butterfly, honestly speaking, but this is how it looks from the back. So over here, my hair are a little bit not done up because I literally did it from the bottom, you guys. So what I'm not liking about the cut is the bottom part. Like, I just don't like this look. I've never liked it. So I'm going to fix this to the best of my ability, but honestly speaking, it's a really good cut, and Brad Mondo did a fab job at explaining us, because you know it was so hard क्योंकि इतने ज़्यादा बाल, you know, there were a lot of hair that I was cutting and I was like, what am I doing? I don't trust this. But honestly, I love the top. From the bottom, I knew that I will not enjoy it that much. I just don't enjoy this kind of look. So yeah, I'm thinking to cut it like this. So this will give me an even look from the back, hopefully. And tilt my head like this. So this side here were actually long, so it might look कि मैं ज़्यादा काटी हूँ, but मैं ज़्यादा नहीं काट रही. Thin this one out. So it just flows nicely. Can you guys see the difference? It's a lot more nicely done over here as compared to this. So I am freehanding this because it's just an emergency cut, you guys. Yeah, literally, if I was well, I would have gone for a cut. Yeah, just so you guys know, I would not do this because I was really trying to get some haircuts. I kind of like this a lot. I did cut a little bit more over here, I know this, but I think so it's fine. It's not too much. From the back, I don't want to do too much because, yeah, no. Let's just see. I think it's decent. Let's just see. Let me show you guys. Okay, so this is how it looks. I went ahead and trimmed the top a bit as well. And मैं थोड़े से बालों को invert curl किया है. But that's just about it. I don't like to curl my hair the other way, and right now they are too short. So if I will do that, literally you guys won't be able to see the cut. So yeah, this is now how it is from the back. You can see that it's quite layered, but not too much. Like, it's nice. I like it. So yeah. I am so happy, you guys. I just cannot stop touching my hair. Literally, बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं मुझे. And I'm going to see you guys in a new year, new video. Until then, take care of your health and be happy wherever you are. Love you all. God bless you all. And Rubber guys and girls. Bye. Bye.